Good morning, families and students. Okay, so this is like take 10, and hopefully this one's going to work out. This is week 3 of our virtual classroom, and I just wanted to reach out, touch base with all of you, and keep you updated on what's happening. So the first thing I want to touch base with you on is I hope you're okay. I hope everybody's doing well, that you are getting through this time, that you're taking care of yourselves, you're taking care of each other, and that you had a great long weekend. Next on the agenda is I want to let parents and families know last week on Thursday and Friday, I was calling and trying to set up one-to-one meetings with each student each week, and including the 4th graders that I have from Mr. Greaser's class. And then as I looked at that schedule at the end of the day, Friday, I thought, oh my gosh, this is, to borrow a term from Mrs. Stokes, this is crazy cakes. I can't make this work. So I'm canceling the one-to-ones as a permanent fixture in my day. What will continue is the 9 to 9:30 Monday through Friday homeroom meeting. That is a great opportunity, students, for all of us to stay connected and checked in. And I expect you to make it to 3, where's my hand? There we go, 3 of those every week. Parents, I'm available. I'm available to you and your students in a variety of forms. You can dojo me, email me, call me, text me. I am happy to set up Zoom meetings with you and your student if we need to do that, of course. And then I have my regular Zoom in hours from 10 to 10:30. And so I open that meeting at 10 and I'm there that whole time. You can pop in and pop out for whatever you need during that 10 to 10:30 time. And I'm happy to extend those hours if we need to do that. And so there's lots of ways for us to stay connected and checking in on a regular basis. The next thing on our agenda is our Curious Eagles homepage. So parents and students, please check that homepage and its offerings a couple times a week, as I am learning and growing in virtual teaching and figuring more and more things out. I'm adding more things to the page. So I'm adding more educational opportunities. I'm offering more fun activities and ideas for you. And so you have to keep checking on it and stay in touch with it. For instance, at the bottom of the page now, or towards the bottom of the page, I'm offering 3 different activities or projects that are more hands-on learning, that are more family-oriented, so other kids in the family can be involved, parents can be involved. And this week we're offering, I've got an outdoor shelter building opportunity project. There is a first virtual field trip project and a science fair project. And so they're on there this week. Depending on how long they take, some of them may take more than a week. I may keep them on there a little bit longer, but we'll see. And those will change. If you're going to do the field trip one, kiddos, then let's talk. Let's have a meeting, you, me, and family, to get you started on that. It's a little complicated, but certainly fun. And then the third thing, or last thing on our agenda is watch that page, because I am going to be adding a healthy habit challenge where I'd like to offer you some ideas for a healthy habit to work on for a week and keep that one going, and the following week add a new one. And then, you know, by the time your summer is over, oh my gosh, you'll have all kinds of healthy habits going. So check on that and stay tuned for more. Continue to do well and be well and take care of each other. Thanks for checking in.